Virtual Staff. Finding the right job on Virtual Staff is simple and efficient. Follow these steps to explore job opportunities that match your skills and preferences. Step 1. Access the job listings. Log into your Virtual Staff account. Navigate to the Find Jobs section to browse available job opportunities. Step 2. Use filters to narrow your search. To find jobs that best suit your qualifications and interests, utilize the search filters. Industry, type in the industry in the search bar that aligns with your expertise. Employment type, choose between full-time or part-time roles. Step 3. Review job details. Click on any job listing to view job description and responsibilities, employer requirements and qualifications, compensation and work schedule. Step 4. Save jobs for later. If you find a job that interests you but are not ready to apply, click Bookmark to save it. Access your saved jobs under the Bookmark Jobs section. By following these steps, you can efficiently search for jobs that fit your career goals.
Thank you, and welcome to VirtualStaff.ph, the smarter way to build a team in the Philippines, hiring, payroll, and compliance in one platform.